Hi guys, and you all are welcome to my channel, That Simple Indian Girl. My name is Pavitra Shetty and you all are welcome to my channel. I know I took a little longer time because I was not in the mood to do that, and there was many things that was happening around. I was really active in Instagram. I was doing some kind of reels. I hope आपने वहाँ पे मुझे follow करना start किया so that you can actually see my reels if at all you are interested to see my ड्रामेबाजी. So yeah, and on the YouTube मैं इसलिए नहीं थी because for last 1.5 month I was been having my dental treatment. I was going through that. I had a root canal, I had an extraction of my teeth, and then later on even I had to take my parents for the dental appointment because even they had certain dental issues. And yeah, so it was just going on. So मेरा almost 1.5 month just went on to it, so I could not do it, and I was not in a state of mind of doing it. And seeing everything around was also somewhere down the corner. I just felt that I'm not ready for doing a YouTube right now, so I just took a break. But in a way to be active, I did some small short reels on Instagram to keep me motivated, to keep me be that happy child around and to be just in my own way of happiness. So I was pretty much active on Instagram, and even still I am, because it's just a kind of a short videos जहाँ पे आप डालते हो with all ड्रामेबाजी. I do a kind of a dialogues and what else, a kind of a motivational speech, and I like it. So it's just like that. So if in case you want to follow me, the link will be given in the description box. Please go and follow me there. So without further ado, I'll be straight jumping out in today's video, which is all about a review of Mamaearth. And मैं वो क्यों कर रही हूँ because I was just feeling a little dull because I was charming, or in a normal way I have got my periods, and I just thought that my skin a little bit needs a kind of a pampering out there. So I just thought why not to do it, and it would be a greater way to show you the review of this particular Mamaearth charcoal C3, or whatever you can say that, a kind of a face pack. So let's get started. So I've just divided this review in few sections. So for the start, I would like to show you the kind of a packaging this particular product has. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the पैकेजिंग. दिस इज़ हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स, मतलब मैंने अमेज़ॉन से किया था. ये कुछ इस तरह से आपको मिलता है विथ Mamaearth C3 फेस मास्क विथ चारकोल, कॉफ़ी एंड क्ले. इसका ग्राम है अराउंड 100. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. वंस जब आप इसे ओपन करते हो, यू गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर फेस मास्क एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव अ काइंड ऑफ एन, what do you call for this, an applicator or kind of an with the help of which you can actually apply this particular mask. So मैं तो हाथों से लगा लेती हूँ. If you are a kind of using brush or using this applicator, you can go for it, but this is the thing that you get it from it. Okay, so now this particular container, I'll just open it and show it to you, but meanwhile I'll just let you know like yeah, इसमें भी आपको manufacturing dates, expiry dates, and everything you get along with it. It is also tested by dermatologists, and C3 face mask with charcoal, coffee and clay for healthy and a glowing skin. I was having a little doubt to use it, but once मैंने जब इसे use किया, it was वेरी गुड. सो अब मैं इसको ओपन करके दिखा रही हूँ आपको. ये कुछ इस तरह से है, इसका ढक्कन होता है, एंड वंस यू ओपन अप, दिस इज़ द क्वांटिटी. एक्चुअली ये अभी आपको थोड़ा कम दिख रहा होगा बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट. आई हैव यूज्ड इट अराउंड more than 4-5 times, and probably my brother is also using it for more than me actually. So it's almost little bit, but ये ऐसे देखकर भी आपको लगता होगा कि काफ़ी कम है, around for 600, but that I'll talk to you in the later point, later in the video. But ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. You don't require much, you just require a little bit. So this is how it is, the packaging. So once you close it, after that you have to close and just regularly इसको ढक्कन बंद करना, nothing more about it. And the gram, it is 100 gram if in case you want to know. So yeah, this is how it is. So let me continue with my other 2 points. Let's get started. Okay, so now let's talk about the cost of this particular product. अब जैसे कि बॉक्स में लिखा गया है it's $5.99, but I got it in a discounted rate. I got it from the Mamaearth. I got it from the Amazon site, which they had a kind of a discount going on. So I got almost 100 rupees off on it. And on the other hand, I also got a cashback on Amazon. So that was really a kind of a jack. So मुझे ये कुछ 375 या 380 के आसपास मुझे हुआ था. So it was complete jack at that particular point of time. So I kinda liked it. So that was how I got it at from particular site. And मैंने इसका भी एक वीडियो बनाया था जहाँ पे मैंने बताया था फॉर द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम Amazon. द लिंक वुड बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट, okay, and I can also tell you, like, you can they also have discounts on Mamaearth site. They also have the discount, like if you're following any kind of a YouTuber right now, I don't have that anything kind of a code thing that I can give it to you and you can get it, but there are a lot of other YouTubers or on the Mamaearth site or on Amazon too. They have this particular deal time or anything like that where they have a kind of a big kind of a discount and you can actually get it from that particular rate. And I don't know अगर इसका कोई small version है या सिर्फ कोई छोटा पैक आता है, but you can go and check it out in their site. So yeah, that is how I got it. So yeah, let's go on to the next point. Okay, so this is how I use. I've just washed my face with a face wash and now I'm gonna apply it, the mask, with my fingers. So here we go. You can use brush or anything you want. It smells like a little balm, so that's the reason I was just smelling it. थोड़ा आपको हल्का सा थोड़ा burning जैसा लगेगा, but it's common in everything, so every face pack, so there's nothing to get worried. So here is a quick video. Keep on watching. I'm gonna keep it for around 15 minutes. तो फाइनली ये 15 मिनट्स हो चुका है और ये ड्राई हो चुका है. कुछ ऐसे लग रहा है. सी देयर इज़ नो मार्क और एनीथिंग ऑन माय फिंगर्स. तो फाइनली ये ड्राई हो चुका है. अब मैं इसे वॉश करूँगी सर्कुलर मोशन में. और जो भी आपके इफ़ेक्टेड एरिया है वहाँ पे, जैसे कि मुझे ब्लैकेट्स है, तो मैं अपने नोज़ को एंड मेरे अंडरनीथ आइज़ और मेरे लिप्स के यहाँ पर मैं अपना थोड़ा सा स्क्रब करूँगी, लिप्स के साइड में, आई मीन टू से. एंड लेट मी जस्ट गेट बैक टू यू इन 2 minutes. Finally, I'm done with my wash and you can see the changes. It's really effective. I'll explain you later in the video, but just a quick little wipe so that you can just see the difference. And yeah, actually मैं बहुत अच्छा वर्क कर लेता है मेरे स्किन पे. So if you have an oily skin, it would be really good for you all too. Okay, now like I mentioned, I'll also share my next point is the benefit of using it onto my skin. I can actually see the difference. It makes me feel like fully hydrated, plump, nice, clean, neat, moisturized. I feel my blackheads completely clean. I don't have them at all, like really not. Like I have so much of whiteheads, but I can't feel it at all when I touch it. So I feel really good. So in my major issues में वो मुझे काफ़ी हद तक साफ़ सुथरा रख रहा है. ऑन टू द वीडियोस ऑल्सो जहाँ पे मैंने आपको दिखाया था पहले, अगर आप चेक करोगे तो मैंने उसमें भी बताया कि उसे सर्कुलर मोशन में आपको रब करना, तो वही आपको वो बेनिफिट करेगा. सो या, सो दीज आर द बेनिफिट्स दैट आई फेल्ट पर्सनली यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. So this is how this particular Mamaearth product has benefited my skin. So I just felt like sharing it with you guys. It's completely onto your choice. On the other hand, मैं आपसे ये भी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि I've just read about them, like they have been doing recycling. They are also into planting trees. So I think that is such a great thing, you know. Like कोई भी product अगर आप purchase कर रहे हो and if it is going for the benefit of the environment, what better can it be? So this works really good. Like इसके जो मतलब जो भी आप इसे pay कर रहे हो for that particular product, like growing trees which is like thumbs up, like it's so freaking good. And in the current situation, they are also providing sanitaries and they are also providing with the face masks. So I think that's a great kind of a way to do it. So it's kind of a benefiting for the environment, and you know where the amount is actually reaching to the needy people. I think it's really nice of them, and it feels good to yourself also, क्योंकि at times you don't know when you do such kind of a donation वो पहुँच कहाँ रहा है, और अगर ये पहुँच रहा है अच्छी जगह पे, why not? So I really think in a way that I'm doing something good too, and मेरे benefits भी हो रहे हैं और साथ में I think environment में भी. So I think that is super cool. For today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, like always, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know if there's any kind of a suggestion from your end. I'm active on Instagram, so the link would be given in the description box to check it out. And also let me know if there's any kind of a suggestion videos from your end. I'll try to put on the videos if I could really do it. And yeah, do let me know. I think I'm soon gonna put an Amazon haul because I've done some purchase from Amazon, and I will do that. So keep on watching, and also press the notification bell icon to get notified for my videos. And yeah, give me some suggestions if you guys can do it for me. And thank you for your lovely comments. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for being there, a part of my family. Love you guys.